Previously, we have installed Elementary OS, but there are things to do before completely using Elementary OS. Watch and follow the steps. First thing to do is connect to the internet. Click this symbol on the top right. If you use LAN, it will connect it automatically. Or just use wireless connection. Click the available connection. Now it is connected. Second, it is time to update the applications and system, to make sure everything is updated when used. Click the system settings icon below. Scroll down. Click the system icon. Click check for update button. Wait the loading to be finished. Then a number will pop out on the installed tab. Click the tab. Click Update All button. Besides that, update can also be performed via Terminal app. Click the Applications menu on top left, scroll and find Terminal. Click Terminal. Here, type this command. Press Enter button. Type the username password. Press Enter button. System will check for update. Type this command. Press Enter button. Type Y character, and press Enter button. The system and apps are being updated. Restart the computer if it's done. Third, install multimedia codecs, so we can play all audio and video formats. It also installs some Microsoft fonts, like Arial, Times New Roman and etc. Open the terminal. Type this command. Press Enter button. Type the username password. Press Enter button. Type Y character, and press Enter button. If this menu shows, press Tab button. Then press Space button on the OK text. Press Tab to select Yes, and press Space. The codec being installed, wait until finished. Fourth, install driver. Usually it only installs NVIDIA or Wi-Fi driver, because most hardwares work out of the box without need to install the driver. Same as before, use terminal and type the command. Press Enter button. Now it is being installed. Fifth, activate the firewall, so it can save from Jorka attack or other hackers. Click the system settings icon below. Click Security and Privacy. Click Firewall menu on the left. Click the Unlock button. Type the username password. Click Authenticate. Click the toggle button on the top right. It's activated now. Sixth, activate night light and night mode, so it won't make the eyes tired when using Elementary OS. Click the system settings icon below. Click display icon. Click display icon. Click the toggle. Night light will active based on the sunset and sunrise, or it can be activated at certain time using manual mode. Now, back to all settings. Click desktop icon. Click appearance. Here just configure by yourself, same with the night light, it will activate it on sunset or sunire or manually. That's all about things to do after installing Elementary OS.